Hey guys, Wil Warren. I'm back at you again today. I'm trying to revitalize my 70 Roadrunner. Like in my previous videos, I've already stripped the body. But I'm doing a little tutorial of how to make your door handles. Don't you get kind of PO'd when you see it, you buy a kit and you see this. You see these, look at this. I hate that. Today I'm going to show you how you get this, how you make this into this. Okay, let's get started. Any modeler, any accomplished modeler will have their little drill and their drill bit. This is what you do. You take your drill, you get the smallest size drill, and then you measure it off right here. You start right about here. Okay? You drill a hole. Okay. Then you're going to drill another hole next to it. Make sure that the drill is like flush to the body so it won't go through the body. And then you'll have a perfect hole. Take your time. There's no big rush. Then you go to the next hole. This should be the last hole. You have to get close to there you go, to the opening knob as possible. Okay, now there's your little holes right there. Okay, there you go. Now, you're going to need your crafting knife, but you're going to need a new one. Get your new blade. Okay, this is what you're going to do. You're going to pick out the little holes. You just very lightly, not this part of the blade, but the other part, not the sharp part, but the other part. And you do like so, until you make a little opening. Okay, it's coming along. Anyway, you get the idea. Okay, all right, there we go. Once you do that, then you get your skills together. You start carving this out, flush to the body, like so. Take it. You always have, just take your time with it. Remember, you're shaping and you're sculpting. And there you go. See my hole there? There it is. Now, of course, I'm going to shape it and cut, and I'll probably get a newer blade, of course. And then it's gonna look like this. Remember, keep the knife flush to the body like so, and then you just take your time, and then you sculpt. I hope this will be valuable information for all my styrene, my styrene neighborhood here, the community, and I got to get to work and finish this 70s Roadrunner. With that, guys, I thank you for your time. I hope this has been helpful for those. Look forward to my next video. Until then, you guys stay cool. Love you guys. We're out.